Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P055C, refers to an issue with the rocker arm oil pressure sensor circuit, indicating low voltage conditions. This diagnostic code signals that the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, is detecting an output voltage from the rocker arm oil pressure sensor that falls below a specified threshold, thus storing this code for reference. The rocker arm oil pressure sensor is critical as it monitors the oil pressure supplied to the engine rocker arms, ensuring proper lubrication and operation. When the sensor detects low oil pressure, it sends an electrical signal to the PCM, which processes this information to maintain engine performance and efficiency. If the PCM registers that this voltage is below 0.18 volts, it interprets this low reading as a failure condition, leading to DTC P055C being stored. This code is particularly important for maintaining engine health and performance in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. The error P055C specifically pertains to the rocker arm oil pressure sensor, a component designed to monitor the oil pressure within the engine's rocker arms. This sensor plays a crucial role in ensuring optimal engine lubrication, directly influencing engine performance, efficiency, and longevity. It is typically located near the engine's rocker arms, which are critical for valve operation in the internal combustion engine. Proper oil pressure is necessary for the rockers to function efficiently, and any discrepancies or low voltage signals can lead to engine performance issues. When the sensor detects an output voltage that is less than the specified value of 0.18 volts, the PCM registers this abnormal condition, triggering the DTC for further investigation and troubleshooting. This low voltage reading indicates that the system may not be receiving adequate pressure, potentially leading to severe engine complications. The DTC P055C has several potential causes, which include a faulty rocker arm oil pressure sensor. This sensor may be damaged, leading to incorrect voltage readings being sent to the PCM. Additionally, wiring issues within the circuits, specifically the VCC2 or P-oil2 circuits, could result in disrupted communication and low voltage. Inspection of the wiring is essential, as exposed wires, corrosion, or other damage can impede signal transmission. The final possible cause involves a malfunctioning powertrain control module, PCM. If both the sensor and wiring are found to be functional, the PCM itself may be the source of the problem due to its role in processing signals from multiple sensors. Proper diagnosis requires thorough checks of all these components to accurately identify the issue causing the trouble code. Symptoms associated with DTC P055C can manifest in various ways, primarily affecting engine performance. Drivers may notice irregularities in engine operation, such as hesitation or reduced power during acceleration. Additionally, increased oil pressure indicators may arise, reflecting issues with lubrication efficiency due to the sensor's reliability. Fuel efficiency can also take a hit, as a failing rocker arm oil pressure sensor may lead to suboptimal engine performance, causing the engine to work harder to compensate for the perceived oil pressure inconsistencies. Warning lights may illuminate on the dashboard, further alerting the driver of engine-related issues. It is vital for vehicle owners to be aware of these symptoms, as they may lead to more significant engine damage if not addressed promptly. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P055C involves turning the vehicle to the on mode to initiate the diagnostic process. This action powers the vehicle's systems without starting the engine, allowing for preliminary checks. At this stage, the technician should utilize the Honda diagnostic system HDS, to check the voltage output from the rocker arm oil pressure sensor. If the voltage reading is less than 0.18 volts during this inspection, it confirms that the failure condition has been duplicated. This result necessitates further investigation into the rocker arm oil pressure sensor, as a low voltage reading typically indicates a malfunction within the sensor itself or its related circuits. Accurately documenting these measurements is critical for the subsequent steps of the diagnostic process, ensuring a systematic approach to identifying the root cause of the problem. In the second step of diagnostics for DTC P055C, it is crucial to disconnect the rocker arm oil pressure sensor connector, which consists of 3 terminals. With the sensor now isolated, the technician should perform a voltage inspection of the sensor output. The expected voltage at this point should be approximately 5 volts when powered in the on mode. By measuring this voltage, the technician can determine if the sensor is functioning correctly or if it indicates a malfunction. If the voltage aligns with expected values, the issue may reside in the wiring or PCM instead of the sensor itself. Conversely, if the voltage reading is significantly lower, this suggests a problem with the rocker arm oil pressure sensor, indicating the need for replacement or further inspection. This methodical inspection is crucial for ensuring accurate diagnosis and effective repairs. The third troubleshooting step for DTC P055C includes inspecting the circuits related to the rocker arm oil pressure sensor, specifically the VCC2 and P-oil2 circuits. To begin this process, the technician should ensure that the rocker arm oil pressure sensor connector and the PCM connector B are both disconnected to prevent any false readings during the tests. The VCC2 circuit should be checked for continuity and proper voltage levels to ensure that the sensor is receiving adequate power. Any open circuits or defective wiring can lead to voltage irregularities, thus causing the DTC. Similarly, the P-oil2 circuit must also be verified to confirm that it is not shorted to the ground. Continuity tests should show less than 1 ohm when inspecting for open wires and more than 1 mega-ohm when checking for shorts. Thorough scrutiny of these circuits is vital, as any wiring faults could be the underlying cause of the voltage issues noted, guiding the technician toward an accurate diagnosis. In the fourth step of troubleshooting DTC P055C, the technician should focus on the powertrain control module, PCM. If the previous tests have indicated that both the rocker arm oil pressure sensor and the wiring circuits are functioning correctly, the investigation should shift to the PCM itself. The PCM plays a crucial role in processing data from multiple sensors and controlling engine functions based on that information. Any faults within the PCM could lead to incorrect interpretations of sensor signals, manifesting as DTCs such as P055C. A thorough examination of the PCM for operational failures is necessary, which may include testing for software updates, hardware integrity, or internal failures. If the PCM is found faulty, replacement may be required to resolve the issue. This step highlights the importance of systematically ruling out all components related to the problem to avoid unnecessary part replacements. After completing the necessary repairs and modifications addressing the DTC P055C, it is crucial to conduct a final repair verification. This process includes testing all components that were serviced or replaced to ensure they are functioning correctly and efficiently. The technician should recheck the vehicle's error codes using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to confirm that the P055C code has been cleared and does not reappear. Additionally, performing a test drive is essential to monitor the vehicle's overall performance, ensuring that all engine parameters are within acceptable ranges and that there are no unusual symptoms present. This verification step is vital not only for establishing the effectiveness of the repairs, but also for maintaining long-term vehicle reliability. Proper follow-up and verification foster customer confidence and satisfaction through efficient service delivery. To reduce the likelihood of experiencing DTC P055C in the future, implementing a preventive maintenance plan is paramount. Regular oil changes are essential, ensuring that the engine oil remains clean and at an optimal viscosity, which is critical for maintaining proper lubrication to the rocker arms. Monitoring oil pressure through periodic checks can help identify any potential issues early, allowing for timely intervention before they escalate into severe problems. Additionally, inspecting wiring connections regularly can prevent electrical issues from arising due to corrosion or wear and tear. A robust maintenance routine can significantly enhance the reliability and performance of the engine in the Honda Accord, while prolonging the life of various components. Education on the importance of these maintenance tasks can empower vehicle owners to take proactive measures, thus fostering a sense of vehicle care and responsibility. In summary, diagnosing DTC P055C, which signifies a low-voltage condition in the rocker arm oil pressure sensor circuit, necessitates systematic troubleshooting procedures. Understanding the core functions of the rocker arm oil pressure sensor and its relationship with the PCM is crucial in identifying the root cause of the issue. The outlined troubleshooting steps guide technicians through a structured approach, from verifying sensor voltages to examining circuit integrity and diagnosing the PCM. Additionally, implementing a preventive maintenance strategy is essential for minimizing future occurrences of this error code, encompassing regular oil changes, monitoring oil pressure, and inspecting wiring. Vehicle owners must recognize the significance of these procedures to ensure continued engine health and performance. By being proactive in both diagnosis and maintenance, owners can prevent minor issues from evolving into major engine complications. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.